Hi guys, Barnes here, and today I will show you the backside nose slide. Nose slide is when you ride goofy or regular stance and then you ollie up to a ledge turning 90 degrees and landing onto your nose, then you slide. Maybe if you learn the frontside 180 before you try your nose slide might help, but it's not necessary. So first you want to learn how to pretty much nose stall. So that's where you ride up straight onto a curb or a ledge and practice that for sure. Just lift up your front, putting a little pressure on your tail and bash your nose into it and stall, and that just helps you to learn how to balance your weight on your nose, and you will learn how to lock your wheels into a position and not to go over the ledge. Then you should try a couple of slappy nose slides just to have the feel for the sliding part, and the next step is your actual nose slide. Foot position for this trick is just like your ollie position, front foot on the bolts and back foot on the tail. Approach the ledge straight and make sure you are at least half a board away so you are able to ollie up and guide your nose up to the top of the ledge. So as you start to ollie, open up your shoulders and turn 90 degrees and land on your nose. Try to hold pretty much all your weight on your nose, but your foot should be in the center of your nose, kind of centered with the side of the ledge a bit more on the top, so you can slide and you are not going to stop yourself with your foot hanging off your nose or pushing down too hard on your nose. Try to be square with the ledge and centered over your board, because if you lean either way, you might slip out. Slide as much as you can, and at the end when you are ready to come off, push your nose in front of you and follow through with your shoulders to make sure you land straight and centered with your skateboard. It might come easy to you, might not, but make sure you practice, and I'm sure you will be able to nose slide soon. Hopefully everybody learns this trick or fixes whatever they've been messing up the whole time, and that's about it. So you are one step closer to your first backside nose slide. Make sure you practice your backside nose slide, and if you need help you can leave your comments and I will get back to you. Stay tuned for the next trick on Thursday. You can subscribe if you like the video and follow me on different socials, but as always, the most important is to go skate and have fun.